Facebook advertisements can absolutely work for plumbers, but only when they are set up the right way and pointed at the right audience. Boosting a random post to everyone in your city is not the same as running a real advertising campaign, and that is where a lot of plumbers waste their money. Think of Facebook advertisements like fishing with a net instead of a single hook. If you just throw the net anywhere in the ocean, you might catch a few fish, but you will also catch a lot of things you do not want. The same thing happens when a plumber runs an advertisement without narrowing it down to homeowners in their actual service area who are the right age and likely to own a house. Something most people do not know is that Facebook lets you build what is called a lookalike audience, which means the platform studies your past customers and finds new people online who share similar habits and interests. This is powerful for plumbers because it targets people who are statistically more likely to need a plumber soon instead of just anyone scrolling through their phone. Another lesser-known trick is using video testimonials from real customers, since video content tends to get shown to far more people for free compared to a plain photo or text post. When plumbers combine smart targeting with real trust-building content, the cost per lead usually drops a lot. One common mistake is sending people who click the advertisement straight to a boring homepage instead of a page built just for that specific service, like a page only about water heater repair. Fix this by creating a simple landing page that matches exactly what the advertisement promised. Another mistake is stopping the campaign after only a few days because it did not bring in calls right away, when in reality, Facebook needs some time to learn who to show your advertisement to. A good rule of thumb is to let a campaign run for at least one full week before judging results. A third misconception is thinking more money automatically means more customers, when really a smaller budget with sharp targeting almost always beats a bigger budget aimed at the wrong people. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Jobateer, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.